Welcome back. Today we will talk about shading, and I will remove myself from the presentation because it's a lot of slides. No, it is not a lot of slides. It is a lot of pictures and a lot of written stuff, and I want to give you the full view on the on the pictures on the slide. So let's start with uh, with the first slide. And we will talk about types of shading systems. So we have the inner curtain, which is I think the oldest one. Then we have um, the the vertical curtains, and then we have some inner shadings also here. Um, in my point of view, if you go later on for a smart house, this would be actually the perfect solution with an electric motor and a light sensor to help you to keep the glare out and the sun radiation if you don't need it. So why do we need actually these shadings at the first place? Well, it's because the sun path is changing. So here, for example, you see in December the sun is on the very low on the horizon. That's the south, north, east, and west over somewhere over there. However, in the summer, here it's up in the sky a little bit further up there. So you want to adjust. You don't want to overheat your space in the summertime, but you want to get a maximum solar radiation into your building during the winter time. So orientation of the building, and then you have different ways to do that. So these shadings here, these fixed outer shading devices, are actually for the summertime that the sun cannot penetrate, or the sun radiation cannot penetrate so easily into your inner room. In the winter time, the sun radiation can just enter easily into the building to warm up the inner space there. And then you have movable outer shades. Um, I'm not really a fan of these ones, but uh, they are there, and it's a little bit difficult in my point of view, and it's written here also for my colleagues. Due to the harsh climate conditions in Mongolia, only robust construction should be used. So with this extreme minus temperatures and icy uh, um, um, uh, environment, I think these one will be not sufficient enough and strong enough to cope with the strong climate in Mongolia. However, these ones can also be integrated into a smart building design. So electric motors can open and close them, lift them up or down. So better than curtains in this case. And this is a transmittance of the movable shading system. So the efficiency. Uh, so without shading device, you would get 100% in of the sun radiation, and then you can see here how the blinds are reducing the radiation inside. So what I mean with solar radiation is really to get rid of the glare and direct sunlight, because it can be really disturbing if it's an office room or in the morning when you want to sleep a little bit longer and so on. So this was a very short presentation, only 5 minutes, but it did not fit anymore to the window one, so that's why it is separated. I'm not sure exactly now what comes next, but I think it is a combination between insulation, U-value windows, but in relation to the Edge software. And I think that's what you're actually aiming for. So the next one will be the last three presentation combined in the Edge software. Thank you.